Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to place a bet on Hard Rock app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Hard Rock app on the phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, add phone to your account, tap the wallet or deposit button, choose your payment method, enter the amount and confirm. Now you are ready to bet. Next, browse the sport or game you want to bet on. You can scroll through football, basketball, or even tap your favorite sports, see available matches and odds. When you see a match you like, tap the odd next to the outcome you want. This adds it to your bet slip at the bottom of the screen. Open your bet slip, type in your amount you want to wager, and check the potential winnings. Make sure everything looks correct. Finally, tap place bet to confirm. You will get a confirmation message showing your bet is active, and that's it. You have successfully placed your bet. Remember, bet responsibility and have fun. Remember, bet responsibly and have fun with the Hard Rock app. Placing bet is easy and fast right from your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.